Good morning, this is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. We are located in Mableton, Georgia, as well as Atlanta, Georgia in the Greenbrier Mall. And we've been going over our Vivdration shots. The 7th ingredients that we've gone over so far are beets, ginger, turmeric, garlic, rose mallow, cinnamon, and dandelion roots. This morning we're going to go over the 8th benefits or ingredient in our Vivdration shots, and that ingredient is black seed oil. Little history lesson about black seed oil. It's been around since the early King Tut days. So taking black seed oil seeds extract for 2 months has been shown to reduce high blood pressure in people whose blood pressure is mildly elevated. Taking black seed oil has been shown to reduce high cholesterol. It is highly healthy fat acids that can help you maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Black seed oil also can help you to reduce arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. The anti-inflammatory effects of black seed oil may extend to improve asthma symptoms. Its effect in reducing inflammation in the airways may help with bronchitis symptoms. And last but not least, eating black seed oil or taking black seed oil is associated with relieving stomach pains and cramps. The oil can help to reduce gas, stomach bloating, and incidence of ulcers as well. So thank you for tuning in to our 8th ingredient of our Vivdration shots, and we'll be coming to you next with the 9th ingredient, which is silica oil. So we'll see you soon. Have a great day.